Today I'm going to be showing you how to make these easy football brownie bites. These are perfect for the Super Bowl or any football related party. And start by preheating your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and then prepare a brownie batter by just using a box mix like I did to make it quicker and easier. Or you can use your favorite fudgy or cakey brownie recipe, however you like your brownies. And then once you're done with that, give it a quick stir, and then you can grease or spray your mold or pan, because I used a silicone mold and it gave me about 4 dozen brownie bites, but you could just use a mini muffin tin if you don't have any silicone molds. And then I placed it on a cookie sheet and baked it for about 15 minutes or until an inserted toothpick comes out clean. And then you can pop them out of the mold. And once you're done with that, you can start making your frosting by adding a little powdered sugar and water together and stirring it up. You don't need too much, but I just made a little bit because I was only frosting some of them. If you were gonna frost all 4 dozen, then I would recommend making a little bit more. And place it into your baggie and cut off the tip so you have a piping bag. And then you can just pipe the basic classic football stripes on your brownie bites. And I love this recipe because it is so easy and simple, and it tastes really great because it's basically just brownies with a little frosting. And then once you've iced them all, you're done. And this is really great for a last minute dessert idea if you're running short on time before the big game. So thanks so much for watching. Bye!